What's up YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm going to be doing a little silver unboxing. I'm very excited for this one because I haven't done an unboxing on my channel in quite a long time. Alright, let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. Let's get to the unboxing and I'll show you what I picked up, and then we'll talk about why I bought these items. So get the knife out, and just so you know, this is from Bold Precious Metals. See if we can not damage anything while we open the package here. Okay, very nicely packaged. Awesome, think that's it. Yep, just the packing slip. Perfect, so we got two different items it looks like. And I ordered these a while ago because they were on pre-order, but very excited they finally came in. See if we can get this open here without too much trouble. Alright, so here we go. This is the first little group of coins here. They're both the same. It's the Rwanda Year of the Ox. And these are really cool. You know, this is the Chinese calendar. Obviously, 2021 will be Year of the Ox. 2020, that was Year of the Rat. Not really surprising. Should have been Year of the Bat. But anyway, yeah, I really like the Rwanda silver lunar coins just because of their sort of shattered glass look. It's almost like a mosaic, right? So I guess more stained glass. But yeah, super gorgeous. And these are the very first 2021 coins that I have bought. So I have placed an order for the 2021 American Silver Eagles. Those won't get released till like mid-January, so you can expect an unboxing next year on those. But yeah, I bought these for fun. These are, you know, semi-numismatic coins, and so there was a little bit of a premium on these, but they're so cool I just couldn't pass them up. Also, if you wanted to see it, this is what the other side of the Rwanda coins looks like. Really cool. I love the simplicity of this design, which really makes it a gorgeous piece. Anyway, that was the first batch there, and let's check out the other ones that I got. Okay, I can see them coming through already. I guess we got 3 on this one, and it is the Darth Vader. Very cool. So I buy the Star Wars coins every single year. They usually come out with 2 per year. They actually came out with 3 this year, and that's the Brilliant Uncirculated. I do have the entire Star Wars collection, so of course I got to keep up on it. We have the other Darth Vaders here. This one was 2017. That's the oldest Darth Vader. It was the first one to come out. And then there's the 2018 version where they gave him the lightsaber. And then the 2019 where he's looking to the side with the lightsaber. And now the 2020 where he's looking to the other side with the lightsaber. So not super stoked that they do a Darth Vader every year. You know, I am a Darth Vader fan. I think he was a great villain. But I wish they would switch it up a little bit more. The other ones that they've done have been, you know, they've left a little something to be desired. They started out with the Stormtrooper in 2018, which is interesting because in 2017 they only had the Darth Vader. They didn't have any other coin. And then they did the Stormtrooper. So these were both 2018. 2019 they came out with the Clone Trooper running forward. And then in 2020 they came out with the awesome Boba Fett. Really big fan of this one. It's probably my all-time favorite for sure in the whole series. And so the Boba Fett, absolutely gorgeous. That goes with the 2020 Darth Vader. And then they also came out with the Mandalorian one this year. These are actually probably my favorite, but they're not in the series. So it's separate from the series because they got a different reverse. Show you the reverse on these. Super cool because it doesn't have the Queen. All of these have the Queen on them. So yeah. So anyway, those were my pickups that I got, and again, this order was from Bold Precious Metals. I do like buying from Bold Precious Metals because I think they've got pretty good deals from time to time. You know, I do buy from all the online bullion dealers. I just look and see which one has the best prices, and that's the one I buy from. Now, I do just want to mention in this video that I like to buy this collectible stuff, but it's not for everyone. These definitely do have a premium, so they're not recommended for silver stacking. You know, these are just for collecting. I like to buy them because it sort of spices up the stack a little bit. You know, it can get kind of boring when you're just buying generic silver rounds or junk silver or whatever. And so I dabble a little bit with the collector stuff. I know it's not for everyone, but, you know, if you have a couple extra bucks that you're willing to spend on it, it's not the end of the world. And over the years, I can get some nice collections and then maybe pass them down to my kids someday. Or I can introduce my kids to silver stacking by showing them my cool collections, like all my Star Wars stuff. You know, this is really exciting for kids. They like the different designs and whatnot. I also collect all the Disney ones. So again, not for everyone, but for me, definitely it's a must buy. And lastly, I just want to say a massive thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And I'll see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.